Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to discuss the how to manage the ground levels in Road Solver program. So first, input methods. So this is a table for the ground inputs. Okay. So the input values will be the station, after that offset, after that the elevation. These are the input of each elements. Then there is another, it is import export panel is there. Then after that a data review panel. These three panels will be appear in the ground levels. There is two type of input method which is used in the ground level. One, it is manual enter, another one import from Excel file. So these are the two type of inputs which is using in ground levels. First we will check the how to make import file format. So that there is two format type. One, it is format type 1 and format type 2. In format type 1, the first column will be enter the station, second column will be enter the distance, then third column will be the elevation. So when you are entering this offset, should be from left to right, should be in the order. This from left side minus, then 0, then after that plus. So your order should be same like this. If otherwise, if you are changing this order, it will not properly appear in the graph. So you have to make it from minus minimum value to maximum value. This is a format. Just from this one, make save as a CSV file, and we can import direct to the ground levels. This is format 1. There is another format type 2. So this type, which is first column, will be make it 0, then after that in the top should be by offset, then left side this should be by station. Okay, so first it is same like that. The minimum offset value will be first, then after that maximum will be on the right side. This type you can sometimes, which you are calculating the natural ground, which is generating the natural ground with the surface from Civil 3D, there is will be coming in the station and elevation only from the offset. So you can easily copy that one, you can paste it this type, and then you can save it as a CSV file, then directly import to the road solver in ground levels panel. Okay, so there is another option, special option, which is natural ground will be created by the interpolation method. Sometimes if there is a ground levels which is some station which is taken from the site, after the taken we maybe sometimes we need additional station for the natural ground. This type natural ground you have to calculate manually, and then you have to insert manually. This is so this from road solver, this option you can calculate it by automatically to enter by station only. So this diagram, if you see here, there is a station 2 plus 0 25 and 2 plus 0 50. So in between the station there is a one level. This gradient will be drop that point. So if you are for the calculating quantity purpose, if you are consider 25 and 50, so it will be coming more quantity. It is not actual that one. So this is this in between that location station you need the ground levels, and you have to calculate that road levels, that minimum value of the quantity. Based on this purpose, so this road solver will be calculate automatically that natural ground in between the two stations by the calculating interpolation method. So just enter the station only, after that press generate, so automatically this calculation will be taken by road solver. Okay, now how this will be work in program. So just we look. In road solver program, in that sectional data, so you have to go there in the ground levels. You can click that one. So there is a input panel. On the right side it is import and export, and there is a data review panel also together with generate MGL by interpolation panel. This is the screen of ground levels. In this one, so I put the station, after that I put the distance, then elevation, then make insert. So that will be coming this one. Same like that, then you can make it another object, then 670 and press insert. Okay, now if you want to change something, you can click, then you can change this something. So make it modify, the data will be changed. Okay, so this is a method you can enter the value of the ground. This is a one method, manual method. Then you can see how it will be work in the import from the Excel file. Now this Excel, so we have, this is a format one. This is first the station, after the distance, after that elevation. This file, just you can make it save as comma delimited CSV file. Okay, so this is a method. So just I make it already. So just we are going to import. Just select the format type 1 and select the desktop. There is MGL format type 1. Okay, that's okay. Now you can see this is a 1000, then it will become, all the data will be coming. Okay, same like this, you have the LGL. This is format type format 2. The first one, it should be 0, then after that the station, increasing station, then right side after this is offset will be increasing, minus 50, minus 40, minus 30, like that. It should be all from the left to right. So this also you have to save it, save as CSV file, and you can make import this one. So same method you can, when you are make import and format type 2 and select that file, there is a MGL format 2, make it this one upload. So this is asking the overwrite, so this I'll upload again. So this data will be coming. So same, this is a method to, you can make this natural ground. Okay, now this interpolation, now you can see there is 1000, after that 125, 1025. So in between this one I need 1112.387, I need natural ground. So enter that value and press generate. Send this station successfully generate. Please repress the page again. Then you have to make it ground levels again. When you select, you can see this new station will be created. This elevation will be calculated from the previous and after stations. So this is a method which is using the interpolation type. Thank you.